How to add sound effect on CapCut. Are guys facing issues to add sound effect on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to add sound effect on. Once you enter project, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for audio. Click on it. Now again look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for sound effects. Tap on it. You can see multiple sound effects over here. Just select the one according to your preference, or you can just simply search for it. To add, just simply click on the sound effect and click on plus icon. The selected sound effect will be added on your video. That's it guys. That's how you can add sound effect on CapCut. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one.